Hindi pa nakatingin sa akin yung una-una. Nakakatawa to ah.
English professor.
Mike, sorry, direct.
May mga ganun babae talaga, no, ma'am? Hindi marunong mahal. You know the true meaning of love? In our day kasi we define love as when we fall in love or love at first sight. But for me, the true meaning of love is when Jesus Christ died for us. Amen. And the lost sinner living in a pregnant sin is still loved by the Lord. It shows that how biblical love is a matter of will, not of emotion, because God chose to love us. And His love, basta mahaba yan eh. Pero bisa ito yung knowledge eh. Last my set again ng mga lalaki.
Wala akong pakialam kung anong, di ba? Hindi pa nakatingin sa akin yung una-una. Nakakatawa to ah.
Pilipinas! Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Lahat tayo! Lahat tayo! Insanity! Insanity!
Thank you, Mama! Thank you!